Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at how to easily free up loads of space on your hard drive. Let's get into it. Alright, so first of all, we're going to go into our Start menu. Then we're going to select Settings. Once you're in Settings, we're going to select System. And then we're going to select Storage. Now, as you can see, I have one hard drive on my computer currently called this PC. Now, if I select this PC, as you can see, it says I have 5.96 gigabytes free. Now, this summary will tell you how much stuff is taking up your space. Now, as you can see, apps and games are taking up most of my space, so I'm going to select apps and games. Now, in here, it will tell you about all the applications that are taking up your space. Now, I would suggest deleting all of these that you don't use, because otherwise they just sit there and take up your space. So I don't really use this application and it's taking up a bunch of space. So I'm going to select it and then I'm going to select uninstall. I'm going to select uninstall again and it will go through the uninstalling process. Now, as you can see, it's no longer in my list, meaning it has uninstalled. So if we go back, then we can, as you can see, it's 5.98 gigabytes free now instead of 5.96. And that is how you free up a bunch of space on your PC. Obviously, you can go through all of the different sections and delete all the things that you're not using. This will clear up a bunch of space on your computer, which you can then use for whatever you want.